Hello everyone, here's a Fanimation Windpointe ceiling fan. I got this at the fan fair like last weekend in Asheville, North Carolina, and this one is, alright, so I'll show you the box first. There's the box for nickel, and it has antique brass, mate white, oil or bronze, pewter, and rust. So, I also saw a Fanimation Windpointe on the show Divine Design. It's on this episode called Poppy's Master Suite Bedroom. And then before they didn't have a fan, but now they actually replaced it with the Fanimation Windpointe with bamboo blades. I think it's like either rust or oil or bronze. I think it's like rust maybe, but yeah, it could have been rust because it has bamboo blades. So this one did actually have kind of a problem. I mean, it's fixed now, but so when I showed you the installation video, it did not work because I actually found, well, the pink wire was actually kind of back a little bit, and then so my dad, I kind of pushed it a little bit, and when we plugged it in, it works. And also, by the way, and before we fixed that thing, all it was working. Well, the plug actually, I just saw kind of like a spark inside of me. It didn't like spark like fireworks, but it was kind of inside the plug. It kind of like, I saw like kind of like a purple thing in there. Again, it sparked like crazy, but I just like saw like purple stuff inside the plug. I mean, never mind. Sorry. I mean, not purple. I mean, like it's like, just kind of like, just kind of saw like an electrical spark. I mean, not like major, but like my constant like a Delta 2, but I actually kind of saw like I saw kind of like a purple, not kind of like a little spark inside the plug. So I mean, yeah, I don't see anything burnt. I didn't see anything burnt on there, so that's good news. So anyways, I'm gonna be showing you up close now. So here we go. Tag. Finish pull chain. Here's the top. Anyways, go ahead. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, let's turn on low. Here's low. So this one was like $40, and so I also got it's not only that fan I got a Fanimation Edgewood. What else? I also got the Universal Industrial Now original as well from the 70s. Also, the Edgewood is also 40. So the Hunter original is like $10, so that's a good deal. So I'll go ahead and turn to medium. Also, I just want to say a big thank you to Fanimation for making all these Fanimation fans, too. So, thank you all very much. Go ahead and turn to medium. I mean high, sorry. Doesn't blow that much here, but doesn't turn that fast, but that's okay. Good, turn this fan off. And we'll reverse it. There's low and reverse. Here's medium. High. High. Doesn't wobble that much, but let's see. We'll go ahead and turn it off. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching.